Today we will cook an Italian food, an Italian dish. And since I know a little bit Italian, let me introduce you with my Italian. Ciao belli, oggi facceremo cannelloni italiani. È una comida molto magnifica e noi vi invitiamo a mangiare con noi. Sì? Ok, let's switch to English.
Io parlo italiano un po'. Mangiare,
Mangiare.
lasciatemi cantare.
Io sono un italiano.
Okay, so hello guys. You are in channel While Bears Sleep. Okay, and say for them.
Yeah, the reason why I'm looking this way, guys, it's not a joke. We are living in a country, Slovakia, and we are living in a piece of a country in the northern Slovakia, close to Poland, where are mountains, as you know, Carpathian mountains, and there's a lot of bears, real bears. They're living in the woods like this one, and we are in a territory of bears. And actually, a few minutes ago, we heard a lot of cracking branches and stuff behind this creek, and we're ready. Yeah, we have something which is inevitable. You need something like this. You need a spray against bears, otherwise you're risking your life. So but don't worry, we will not put it into our food. No worries.
Okay, I'm afraid a bit, but I'm here with the big bear in this territory, and so I think that he is a big boss of whole bears who are there. So I try to be more calm. Yeah, and okay. Today we will cook some Italian food, but it's my Italian food. At once I have only tuna fish, and cheese, carrot, and I decided to make something perfect.
Okay.
And so I take cannelloni and put all of what I have into cannelloni.
Yeah.
And it was so perfect dish. This dish is very easy and tasty.
Yeah.
So tasty.
Yeah, it's excellent. So let's start.
Yeah, of course. Okay, my dear. So at first, what we need: cannelloni, tuna fish, and we start from carrot
Carrot.
and onion.
Onion.
What do you want?
Which one? I want a carrot.
Oh, of course. Of course, I have onion. Okay, so this is for you, and this is for me.
Okay, guys. What we are going to do now? First of all, you have to understand that we will boil carrots with onions, but before that, it's crucial to kind of fry it for a few minutes on oil, because in a carrot, as some of you might know, there is a very important vitamin which is used for our sight, beta carotene, and this beta carotene releases itself just within the fat. So we have to put fat, carrots, and give it 5 minutes, and after that we will boil it. So that's the procedure we're gonna make now. So oil. Okay, so we have carrots which are with onions, which are a little bit fried for a few minutes, and we have a beta carotene inside. But what next? What we are going to do now?
Okay, so you have a break hand, so you will be open tuna fish.
I'll be opening tuna fish
Yeah,
with
and
my hand.
you have 2 hands. Okay, okay, left hand. Yeah,
Okay.
you can do it left hand.
Okay. I can do
Okay, and I will cut cheese
it. Okay.
here, and tuna fish also here.
All right.
Okay, so
Whatever.
let's
Whatever.
go. Who will be faster?
I was first.
Yes, but I'm in tuna juice.
Where's the problem?
We need to mix it all, and we need to use our hands,
All right.
2 hands, to put it in cannelloni, and then we will cook it.
All right.
But we will cook it not with water. You also can cook it with water, but if we want to make cannelloni more tasty and more нежный.
Tender.
Oh no.
Tender.
Tender. Use milk cream. Milk cream.
Sour cream. Sour cream.
Sour cream.
Made from milk. As you can see, it's special made for cooking, and it's 12% of the fat.
Yeah. So, okay, we started.
Alright guys, so we have ready our cannelloni, and as you can see, there is a rest of the mixage which we have prepared for stuffing the cannelloni. And I was wondering what to do with this stuff. I mean, my dog would love to eat it, but I don't know what to do with it.
Okay, yes, we can put it for our dog. It's not only your dog, it's our dog, okay?
Surrendering, surrendering.
But we can put it into the...
On top of the
yeah.
frying pot.
And then we put
Sour cream.
here, and I think that it will be good, okay?
Yeah, so we use it even though we do not have enough cannelloni tubes, pasta
Yeah,
tubes.
it's my Italian recipe, and I'm boss here. And I decided to put it into...
She is the boss.
Yeah,
She's the boss.
yeah.
I'm just one-handed man.
No, you're a very strong man, and I'm proud for you that you with one hand are here in the forest and cook some tasty dish for our family. I think you are cool.
Thank you, honey.
Okay. And now,
Okay, we will put the sour cream.
yeah.
As I said, make sure it is for cooking.
Yeah, it must be 12%,
Percent
12,
of the fat.
12, 10%, yeah,
Of the
12, 10,
Percent of
around
the
this,
fat.
yeah.
Make sure we will hear.
I like sour cream.
Make sure we'll have enough.
We bought two.
Yeah, just to make sure.
I must try if it's good.
Yeah, that's the excuse. You know, that's the excuse what
Very good.
she's making every time. So,
Very good.
yeah. You can see it's fresh from the store, and the date is still valid, but she needs to, you know, validate it.
Okay, so my dear, now we put it on the fire, and I think that we need only 20 minutes and we will have an excellent dish.
All right,
Okay,
let's go.
let's go.
So we have it finished. We have it ready. These are probably the first cannelloni made in the forest in Slovakia. Okay.
You hear this?
Can you hear the bear? Okay. So, as you can see, it's no joke. It's real. The problem is that I have my spray over there. So, but let's say we are strong and we will stand it. So don't worry, the bear will wait. So thank you, honey. This is fantastic. Do you want to say a few words about it?
Yes, of course. I wanna say that you need to try it.
Oh,
You can see that cheese is now so pretty.
Okay.
Okay. Now
okay.
it's a bit hot.
It's really hot.
Oh.
It's really hot, but it's fantastic. Thank you.
Okay, I think that we must finish because our dog see something on.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry. We have anti-bear spray.
I think that we must rename our channel on the extremely cooking.
Oh, you know, our channel is called the Wild Bear Sleep, and now it's spring. Almost, yeah, it's summer basically here. So bear are not sleeping anymore, so they're walking around. But we have a protection, so don't worry. Everything will be fine with us. Actually, the smell, the taste, the vapor from the cooking from dishes is so beautiful and so tasty. It attracts the bears around here.
Oh, and I wanna to show something.
Okay, go ahead.
So today, while we cooking, I found some mushrooms. Bevel. It's not meat.
He would eat it, no worries.
The most
Just give it.
the most hungry dog in the world.
Yeah,
It's not tasty now.
doesn't
And I think that in the future videos, if my boyfriend allow me, I show you a very nice recipe for to cook mushrooms.
Yeah, we will be showing you a recipe to cook mushrooms in the next video. So make sure you also subscribe if you're not, and follow our channel, guys.
Yes, of course. Bye bye.
Take care.